Hello, in this video I want to showcase my so-called Instagram posting bots, which are programs that automatically create content and automatically post them on Instagram. So here I have three accounts. The first is a health-related news account. The second one is an account that deals with anything astrology related, and the third one is one account that deals with book recommendations, poems, quotes, and related stuff. So let's just start with this health account, and let me just open up perhaps this post. Okay, so timers run these accounts, which means that when it's say 9 p.m. California time, for example, the bot will call a news API, use the available image or images to create a background, as you can see here, and then put this translucent background layer, and then put the title, the source, the synopsis, and then stitch together a caption, of course, with the hashtags. And then the bot will call a series of Facebook APIs to create a media object. Okay, in Instagram terms, the media object is the image and the caption. And then the bot will post the media object to the right account. Okay, and actually there are many different content types in each account. Like for example, for this health account, right, there are also posts that are dedicated to telling you COVID-19 data. Like here, it will tell you which country is safe to travel to. So basically, there's an API that gets data from WHO, Johns Hopkins every week, and then calculate the new cases in every country and rank the countries from the least cases to the most. Okay, then for this astrology account, other than the astrology charts that you see here, I also used to have feng shui tips, which are Chinese feng shui tips. And then, for example, for the next 3 days, okay, what are the activities that are suitable and the activities which are unsuitable, as well as for the next 5 days, which Chinese zodiac sign should be cautious, as well as upcoming lunar festivals, and then the upcoming lunar dates corresponding to the Gregorian dates. Yeah, other than feng shui, I also used to have daily horoscopes for all the star signs, daily horoscopes for all the signs. And further back, I also used to have daily tips for all the signs. Yes, for example, this daily tips for each sign. Okay, so for the last account, here you see the mainly book of the day posts, but I also have, for example, this quotes from myself actually. So these are fetched from the DB of another app used for journaling. Further back, I used to have poems as well. Poems from poem API, some poem API. And notice how the layout, the color, and the illustration changes for each post. Okay, so going back to the health account, as the bot posts, it simultaneously adds to this article list. Okay, let me open up this article list. So followers can just come to this article list and access the actual articles. Of course, the system knows when a follower clicks into each article. And the follower can also subscribe to a newsletter, as you can see here, a subscription page. Okay, so for how I handle subscribers, right, you can watch my other YouTube video about how I have an emailing system. Yep. Okay, so let's move on to the so-called back office. So before I begin, let me just put out a disclaimer. All emails, IDs, tokens you see here are all censored for the demo. Yeah, okay, so every time you post, you need a valid access token, right? So to get a token, you need to set the right client ID and secret. But because I deal with a different Facebook account / Facebook app for every Instagram account I automate, I used to have to change site properties or even change code just to renew a token for one Instagram account. So along the way, I decided to store all these configuration values in a table so I get this convenience system here where I just need to select the Facebook / Instagram account from a drop down, press a button, and I can renew the access token. Okay, let's move on to something more interesting. Okay, here's a page for all the analytics for all the Instagram accounts that I have. So the system takes these readings automatically every day, of course using some APIs, just to monitor the viewership for all of my accounts. So all these spikes you see here are because of ads that I ran. Okay, and all this follow/unfollow ratio will track the growth of each account. So a value more than 1 means growth, and a value less than 1 means that I'm overall losing followers. Okay, so other than automatic posting and automatic insights, the system also has the capability to make every Instagram account promote my other Instagram accounts. So each account will intelligently avoid promoting itself and also avoid promoting multiple accounts at one go, which means that account A will promote account B in January, for example, and then wait one month, for example, and when it's February, the account A will remember that it promoted account B previously, and so account A will instead promote account C. Yeah. So that's all. That's all for my Instagram bots. Thank you, and hope you enjoy this demo.